In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if you are unable to disable the Windows Defender real-time protection. So let's get started. So if you cannot turn off the real-time protection, then what can you do? First is we need to perform a clean boot. So how can we do that? Go to the Windows search bar and type msconfig. Click on System Configuration under the Best Match. Click on the Services tab. Now here, make sure to hide all Microsoft services. Click on this option. And then you have to click on Disable All. Click on Apply. Click on OK. And then click on the Restart button. By performing a clean boot, that will fix the issue for you. For the second method, we can also run the System File Checker scan. So how can we do that? Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Then you have to click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. So here, simply type this SFC space forward slash scan now. SFC space forward slash scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan that will fix for any system corrupted files. So wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, close this window or simply type exit. Then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Do not forget to restart your Windows once you have done executing the command. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.